Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to understand how does the everything features work. For that, you have to come up to this side navigation bar inside your Workstatus web app. Click on everything and you'll be able to see a listing which is going to appear like this. Now, what is this listing all about? The everything feature gives you the list of all the tasks which are available with respect to all of the projects. Now, in this, you'll be able to see that this is the section where you can filter out the data accordingly. Next, when you click on this three dot, you'll be able to see the complete status of the task which is currently displaying on the list. Group by feature gives you an opportunity to group and list down the data of the task listing as per the status of the task, assignee, priority, due date, billing, milestone, tag, task type. Now, once you select on this, all of the data of the list is visible accordingly by the group view which has you been given. Now, the column section gives you an opportunity to select and drag and drop the column according to your requirement. When you click on save, the data is going to reflect on the basis of the column that you have selected from here and whichever you have moved and you want to see first on the line. Next, you can export the similar data in the PDF or the CSV format. The one of the interesting thing that you can find in the everything with respect to all of the projects and the tasks associated to it is not only the listing of the tasks is visible, but you can see it in the Kanban style. Click on for more and you'll be able to see in the Gantt view and even the message board also. One of the very important and interesting factor for you available with us is the customized view of the everything. You'll be able to select and you'll be able to save the view according to your requirement. For example, this is the view that I have created for myself. I can have this pin, and if I click on this three dot, I can rename it. I can make it as a default view. Whenever you are coming back to the screen, you'll be able to see the view that you have created for yourself. You can click the link and copy it and you can share it with the others. You can duplicate the same view and you can have this delete as well. Next, we have that as we had spoken, that these are the views that are available inside everything, which you can make as a private or even protected. Now, the view that you had created, the option that you had created for yourself, you can make it as private by clicking up here and the view get privated. Now, what does the private view means? It means that the list of the tasks that you have selected to see is only visible to you on your specific account. Nobody else, whichever user has an access to this project, is going to see the list that you have or the view that you have created for yourself. So this is the feature and this is the working of the everything inside Workstatus. Thank you.